Welcome to Beautyistic, where we talk all things beauty, inside and out. If your hair's been feeling dry, tired, and in desperate need of a rejuvenating boost, today's review might just be what you're looking for. We're diving into the Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask, designed to hydrate, condition, and leave your hair feeling like it's had a spa day. Moroccanoil has built a reputation for crafting quality products that leave your hair soft and nourished. And this hydrating mask is no exception. It's perfect for those with dry hair and aims to combat dullness and static without needing any heat for activation. What's inside? The formula is packed with the brand's signature argan oil, a powerhouse ingredient known for its nourishing properties. It's also cruelty-free, so you can feel good about how this mask is made. Now, let's talk about how this mask performed in real life. Incorporating it into my weekly routine was easy, and I loved how the mask felt as I applied it. Smooth, thick, and creamy. It doesn't take much to coat the hair, and it's recommended to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. No heat required, which is fantastic if you're looking for a more low-maintenance yet effective treatment. After rinsing, my hair instantly felt softer. I noticed a real difference in terms of hydration, especially on the ends, which tend to be the driest part of my hair. It also helped reduce that annoying static I often get, making my hair feel smoother and more manageable. The fragrance is subtle and fresh, which is a nice touch without overwhelming the senses. When it comes to pros and cons, this mask definitely has more to love. The texture is rich and creamy, and the product delivers impressive hydration. My hair felt nourished but not weighed down. Sometimes hydrating masks can leave your hair a little limp, but that wasn't the case here. I also appreciated the cruelty-free aspect, which aligns with ethical beauty standards. However, I did notice that it's best suited for drier hair types. If you have fine or oily hair, you might not get as much benefit from it. Also, while it's effective, the mask is a bit on the pricier side compared to other hydrating masks out there. That being said, if you're looking for a salon-quality treatment that's really going to give your hair a boost, this could be worth the investment. In terms of value for money, it's important to consider what you're getting. The Moroccanoil brand is known for its quality, and this mask certainly lives up to that. If your hair needs intense hydration, and you're looking for a treatment that offers results without a long wait time, it's worth every penny. But if you're on a tight budget, there are other hydrating masks that can give you a similar effect at a lower price. Compared to other hydrating masks, the Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask stands out in terms of formulation and results. But if you're just after hydration, there are alternatives that may meet your needs without the premium price tag. For example, Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask offers great hydration for a fraction of the cost. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and functional, making it easy to dispense the product. A little goes a long way, so even though the price is higher, the product should last a while. I didn't experience any issues with the product's shelf life, and it's a treat to use each week. If you're looking for alternatives, there are plenty of options that can hydrate and nourish your hair, but you'll need to look at each product to see what fits best with your hair type and budget. So, is the Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask worth it? Absolutely. If you have dry hair and are looking for a deep conditioning treatment that works, this mask is a winner. It's easy to use, highly effective, and provides real, noticeable results. If this review has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay up to date on all things beauty. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.